Hi and welcome. In this session, of course, I'm going to introduce what is NoSQL and why we use this concept, what is the main difference between SQL and NoSQL, and what is also the database who use NoSQL like Cosmos DB. Later in this demo, I'm going to detail what is a Cosmos DB database and how we use it by using a small demo, by creating a document, a container, how to query this database.
When people use the term NoSQL database, they typically use it to refer to any non-relational database. Some say the term NoSQL standard for the non-SQL, while others say it's standard for not only SQL. Either way, most not agree that NoSQL databases are databases that store data in format other than relational database. A common misconception is that NoSQL database or non-relational database don't store relationship data. Well, NoSQL database can store relationship data, they just store it differently than relationship data do it. In fact, when compared with SQL database, many find modeling relationship data in NoSQL database to be easier than in SQL database, because related data doesn't have to split between tables. NoSQL data model allow related data to be nested within a single data structure. The benefits of NoSQL database that we can develop with agility, with the ability to respond to the unplanned situation. NoSQL database cater to frequent software release cycle and are suitable for faster and more agile development. Handle data with flexibility. NoSQL gives developer more freedom, speeds, and flexibility to change both schema and query to adapt the data requirement. Information stored as unaggregated makes easier to quick iterative improvement with having to upfront schema design. Operate at scale. NoSQL database can provide completing operation advantages and saving with the ability to scale out horizontally and or add less expensive server with having to upgrade. They can scale to handle more data or hold a single large database within a high distributable cluster of servers. Type of data model with NoSQL database. Most non-relational. The different type of data models with NoSQL database. The key value. Key value store pair, a key and a value. Using a hash table, key value types are best when a key is known and the associated value for the key is unknown. The document database and extend the concept. So what is the different type of data model with NoSQL database? The first format is the key value. The key value store a pair, a key and a value. Using a hash table, key value type are the best when a key is known and the associated value for this key is unknown. The document database extends the concept of the key value by organizing entire document into a group called collection. They support nested key value pair and allow query on attribute within a document, a columnar. Wide column or a column family database efficiently store data and a query across a row of spare data and are advantageous when a query across specific column in a database. A graph database use a model based on a node and edge to represent interconnected data such as a relationship between people in a social network and offer simplified storage and navigation through complex relationship.